Central Daylight Time. These are the 4 p.m. observations for Monday, August 17th. At Brainerd, it was sunny. The temperature was 84 degrees. The National Weather Service in Grand Forks has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Northeastern Otter Tail County in west-central Minnesota, Southeastern Becker County in northwestern Minnesota, until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:22 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Frazee, or 12 miles southeast of Detroit Lakes, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Perham, Frazee, Hillview, and Butler. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Otter Tail, Minnesota. The National Weather